कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं कर्म. दिस इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ कर्म. कर्ता जिसको मीन्स व्यक्ति, वस्तु या क्रिया को बहुत चाहता है उसे कर्म बोलते हैं. टुडे वी सॉ 3 सूत्र अननोइंगली. गत्यर्थक द्वितीया मीन्स गति अर्थ के धातु में द्वितीय विभक्ति. कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं कर्म. दिस इज संस्कृत डेफिनेशन. कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं. ईप्सित means desirous. Kartuh means the doer. And next sutra then say wherever karma is there. So who told you to do dvitiya vibhakti? If some scholars ask you, then you can say I have sutra which says karmani dvitiya, means in karma always dvitiya vibhakti. This is sutra. कर्म में द्वितीया विभक्ति होती है. This is the literal translation. Karmani dvitiya means, karmani means in karma. So wherever karma is there, there dvitiya vibhakti. कर्म में द्वितीय विभक्ति होती है. ओके. So now so far the things are clear. Like कर्म में द्वितीय विभक्ति होती है. ओके. Now the easy part. We all know prathama vibhakti. Okay, what is the prathama vibhakti of Rama?
Ramah.
हाँ, रामः, रामौ, रामाः. तो कर्म में द्वितीया विभक्ति होती है. This is clear. Okay. Now the easy part is there is 7 vibhaktis I told, but in that 8th one is there. 7, but 8th one is there to all vibhaktis. Like Hari Shabda you are declining, there is also 8th vibhakti. Then that 8th vibhakti is called Sambodhan. Sambodhan means whenever if you want to call somebody, then you call the A, like in Hindi, hey, we say. In English, hey. Like that, Sambodhan means to call somebody. Sambodhan. किसी का संबोध करने, पुकारने में संबोधन विभक्ति होते. If you want to call somebody, then you have to use Sambodhan. Sambodhan means generally it is not called 8th vibhakti, but we will say for your understanding. So it is very easy. Like whatever prathama vibhakti is there, like Rama Shabda, prathama vibhakti Rama. Some one change, hey Ram is Sambodhan. Okay, hey Ram means you are calling that. This is in Sanskrit. Though the pure letter like Ram Shabda is used here, but it is Sambodhan, hey Ram. If you want to call one Rama, you will say hey Ram. If you want to call 2 Ram, then you will say hey Rama. And if you want to call many Ramas, then hey Ramaha. Means it is same like Prathama Vibhakti, only first case changes always. Always, huh? This is Rama Shabda Sambodhan. Sambodhan means to call somebody. We use this. Like if you read Gita, many times only Krishna Shabda has come. So Bhagavan is telling, hey Krishna, listen this. Hey Dhananjaya, only Dhananjaya word. You will say there is no Vibhakti Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya is Akaranta Shabda and there is no Vibhakti of Dhananjaya. That is Sambodhan. Sambodhan means like Bhagavan is telling knowledge and sometimes Krishna, Arjuna sees here and there. Then Bhagavan Krishna says, He Dhananjaya, He Kaunteya. There is no visarga. That means Sambodhan Prathama Vibhakti. This is for Pullinga. It is easy if you remember Prathama Vibhakti. It is same. If you want to call a lady like Radha, so you will say He Radhe. He Radhe is not in Hindi. He Radhe is in Sanskrit. It is Sambodhan of Radha Shabda. He Radhe. And Dvitiya Vibhakti. This is the joy here. Every time Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachan and Bahuvachan of Prathama Vibhakti will be same in Sambodhan. He Radhe, He Radhe, He Radha. If you want to call one Radha, He Radhe. Two Radhas, He Radhe. And many Radhas, He Radha, which is the like Prathama Vibhakti. This is 8th Vibhakti or Sambodhan, you can say. Simple way, 8th Vibhakti nobody says. Sambodhan. He Ram, He Ramo, He Ramaha. Yes.
That first one, it should not be He Rama, huh?
No, that is what I told. No, He Rama. No. He Ram. Only Prathama Vibhakti changes every time. Otherwise, second, like Dvivachan, Bahuvachan is same in Sambodhan.
अच्छा द्विवचन में भी राधे रहेगा, हे राधे दोनों.
Yes, because Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Rame, Ramaha, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan will be same.
Okay.
I want to see for Vanam. He Van. He Vanam, He Vanani. ऐसे He Van.
He Vana, He Vane, He Vanani. Right? He Vana, Vana, He Vane, He Vanani.
हाँ, He Van or He Vana. हाँ, it is
He
not.
Vane,
हाँ,
He
He
Vanani.
Vanani. Thank you. I was checking that. I know that, but I see. If you have doubt, we should check and then tell. Yes, He Van, He Vane, He Vanani. Like if you want to say He Fal, like fall. He Phalam, He Phal, Patatu.
So that Yam goes there, Ma goes.
Ha, like you see Ramaha Visarga went. He Phal, Ma will go. He Phale. I am taking irregular one, but we should take whatever we have been seeing. Like Rama, like Vanam we are seeing. So we should take one. He Van. So it is easy to remember. He Van, He Vane. But we won't say to one of this. That is why I take He Phal. Okay, this is the third portion. First was Kartuhu Gatyarthak Dvitiya. Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Though he goes in forest, but we say Vanam Gacchati. Then Karma means Kartuhu Ipsisamam Karma. And Karmani Dvitiya. This is the sutra. So we'll say Vidyalayam Gacchati. Sita Ramam Pashyati. So Ram ko dekhti hai. Because Sita likes Rama. That is why Ramam, it becomes karma, because kartuhu ipsitamam karma. These are the rules. In Sanskrit, whatever you say, there should be base of rule. Otherwise, nobody will listen that. Okay, this is called Sambodhan. Sambodhan means to call somebody. This is 8th Vibhakti for our understanding. Otherwise, it is Sambodhan called. Sambodhan. It is called vocative case. vocative. Vocative. Okay. Now this third portion is also over. So Prathama Vibhakti, already know all names, nouns. Prathama Vibhakti. Sambodhan, now we know only Prathama Ekvachan changes. Otherwise, all are same, like Prathama Vibhakti. Then we saw what is Karma Mein Dvitiya, Karmani Dvitiya and Gatyarthak Dvitiya.
Sir, can I say hey Nara?
Of course, hey Nara, hey or any, because you know Rama Shabda. So if it is Akaranta Pullinga, you can say hey Rama. Any, Rama is just example. Any Akaranta. Hey Yudhishthira. You can find in Gita, you can find in Mahabharata, many shlokas like this. Only Yudhishthira will come. Means Bhagwan is addressing Yudhishthira. Hey Yudhishthira, like that. But hey will be not there in shloka. Remember, one more additional thing. You will say there is no hey in Dhananjay. No. Rama means you have to understand hey Rama, like hey Dhananjaya. There won't be hey. I should again clarify that. This is for our understanding. I have written hey Ram. Because there is hey Sanskrit word nahi hai. So hey Rama. Hey Rama. Is it a confusion? Let us have like this. Okay.
जब हम लोग एक्चुअली यूज नहीं करते हे वर्ड तो इसको इसको रखा क्यों इसको? इस शब्द को हम यूज नहीं करते, हे शब्द को यूज नहीं करते संस्कृत में.
हे शब्द हम श्लोक में यूज नहीं करते. श्लोक में ओके, प्रोज में हम यूज करेंगे. विल यूज इन प्रोज. इन श्लोका वी डोंट यूज. दैट इज व्हाई हे राधे. हाँ, प्रोज में.
ठीक है.
In prose only, not hey. There are different like bho also is there in Sanskrit. Bho rajah, like that many others. Just for example, they have given hey. Hey Ram, hey Krishna. See, we are in 5th chapter, so they are giving a little bit. Okay. Now what should we do? Now we should learn some new shabda which we already know. Then why they are new? Because in Sanskrit we will learn like shabdaha, because they are many. So half this time we'll see. Next class half we'll see. Shabdaha. First is father. Janakah. Janaka means father. Father. Janakah. And what about pita? Pita is also there, but pita is pitru shabda. And that goes pita, pitaro, pitarah, like that. That is why initially easy. If you want to say pita, janakah. Janakah. Then next is putrah. So janakah, some of us we know. Putrah, everybody know. Putra means putaram, pitaram trayate iti putra. The one who, uplifts, there is absolves or liberates the ancestor is called putra. Sanskrit has a deep connotations also. Putra means son. Pitaram trayate, one who removes pain of the ancestor, like that. Suryaha, all of us we know. Sun. So it is Suryaha. And remember, Surya is always Dirgha. Suryaha. By this only you know now all these are Akaranta Shabda. So if you want to say something to Surya, hey Surya, Ma Tapatu. Don't give so much hit. Hey Surya. Hey Putra. Janakam Janakasya Adnyam Palayatu. follow the instructions of your father, which is very difficult nowadays. Chandraha. Chandraha means Chandrama, like moon. Moon or Chandrama in Hindi. Chandra. So Surya, Chandra, Putra, Janaka, easy. Janaka is maybe new for you. Sajjanaha, already we know. Sajjana means actually good people, a good person. So one Sajjan. Sajjanaha. So these are some words we need not by heart also, because Sajjana Shabda we know. Durjana, bad person. Durjana, opposite of Sajjana. Durjana. Durjana. And it is Durjanaha. It is pullinga, means bad person. One we are talking. Bad. Or wicked. Is a good person. Wicked or crooked. This. Okay. Low, pradnya. This we don't know. We should keep this in mind. Pradnya means wise person. Vidwan. Pradnya means Vidwan. Vidwan we will call wise person.
Knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable also. Wise. It is written here Vidwan. Scholar also we can write. Scholar. Pradnya, scholar. Next is, so much is there, we'll see just one more. We should remember also. And then one more rule we'll see. Lokaha. Lokaha. So one meaning of loka means people. People. And another meaning is loka means this whole world. Whole world. Bhagwan says in 3rd chapter, Lokes means Dvividha Nishta. Loka means Asmin Loke means in this world. So another meaning is Samsara. World Bhagwan has given. I will write here because Samsara is good word. Samsara. 5 more are there. They are a little bit difficult, like Upadhyaya, Kroshaha. So we'll keep them for next.
These are all pullinga, right? Akaranta pullinga.
All are pullinga. So Chandraha, Chandrau, Chandraha. Chandram, Chandrau, Chandran. Any word. Pradnya, Pradnyau, Pradnyaha. Pradnyam, 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 Pradnyau, Pradnyan. Lokaha, Lokau, Lokaha. Lokam, Lokau, Lokan. Durjanaha, Durjanau, Durjanaha. Durjanam, Durjanau, Durjanan. Like father sees Durjan. Like Janakaha Durjanam Pashyati. Janakaha Durjanan Pashyati. If he sees many bad people together, Durjanan. Putraha Pradnyam Namati. Putraha Pradnyam Namati. Putraha Pradnyau Namati. Putraha Pradnyau Namati. Pradnyah Putram Namati. Any sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So now slowly it is become a little bit serious. Earlier also serious.
Yeah.
No, they want to teach you whole Sanskrit in 60 chapters. So they will put everything. But in systematic manner, like one by one sutra. In one chapter, only second vibhakti they will introduce like that. Sambodhan also they will introduce because Prathama vibhakti just now you saw. When you go to Gurukul, they will tell you 7 vibhakti, and at the end they will teach you Sambodhan. So by the time you come to Saptami vibhakti, you are exhausted. Then Sambodhan, though it is easy, you feel how it is difficult, because 7 vibhakti you have by heart. But here, no. First vibhakti, just now you saw, okay, it is easy. You just change the first vibhakti in Sambodhan. Chalo, ठीक है. Next, some words we saw and 4 dhatus, the important one. Okay, what is that dhatu? Dhatu we have to remember, all are from Pratham Gana only. Dhatavah. I will write dhatavah because dhatu is plural. Dhatavah. So first is tudati. I have told you this in crash course. Tudati means to give sorrow, to annoy. Dukkha dena, to persecute. Tudati. Dukkha dena. See, one is dukhi hona, that is different. But here I am not, being dukhi. I am giving sorrows. Tudati. Dukkha dena. Annoy or dukkha dena is the proper. We feel intensity then. Dukkha dena. Dukkha dena. First one. We will make one sentence, then we'll conclude. Not so much. Tudati. This way we have to remember. Next is Isha. Isha becomes Ichhati. Isha Ichhati. You see difference? It is not Ishati. Isha Ichhati means to desire. Aham bhojanam ichhami. Aham moksham ichhami. Aham dharmam ichhami. Aham kamam artham ichhami. Aham putram ichhami. Aham aham lokam ichhami. Like new world I want. Ichhami ichhati. Same way it will go. Ichhati ichhatha ichhanti. Ichhami ichhavah ichhamah. Like that. Ichhasi ichhatha ichhatha. Next is to touch. I had pictures, but I didn't get time to.
Sparsh, no, sir? Sparsh.
Sprusha, sprushati. Mool dhatu is sprusha. And sprushati. Sprusha, sprushati, like to touch. Ravanah Sitam na sprushati. Ravana Sitam na sprushati. Hastah netram sprushati. Hastah netram sprushati. Sprushati. To touch. Easy there. Tudati dukkha dena. Isha ichhati. To desire, ichha karna. Ichha karna. And sparsha karna. One sentence will make with subject and object. Both I want. If you can add atra tatra yada tada ita tataha, you are great. And pracha. Pracha becomes pruchati. Pruchati means to ask. Pruchati. Pracha, pruchati. Pruchati means to ask. Like puchana. Dirgha. Puchna. Janakah putram pruchhati. Like father asks to son. जनकः पुत्रं पृच्छति. पुत्रः जनकं पृच्छति. ईश्वरः भक्तं पृच्छति. Any sentence. So one sentence we'll make. Next class we'll cover the rest of the portion because dhatus are over. Shabdas half they are over. 3 rules we covered. Now only one rule, some avyayas and few dhatu, few words. So one sentence and then we can go. Are free to go. First is tudati, tudati, dukkha dena. Meenakshi ji, jaldi.
Sir, aham. No, I don't annoy anybody. What should I say?
Ha, na tudami.
Na dudami.
Tudami, like tudati, tudatah, tudanti, tudami. Aham, na tudami. Means I don't give sorrow. To anybody, how will you say? That is further portion. Kena api. Like किसी को भी नहीं. Kena api. और चलो ठीक है. Aham na tudami. Yes. Rupa ji, one sentence. Yatra tatra you can use any.
Aham atra for tudami or ichhati?
Tudami.
Okay.
Because that we don't remember easily. That is why tudami. Ichhati we all remember. Sprushati we remember. Pruchhati we remember. Yeah.
Tvam mama na tuda.
Mama will not come. Mam. Mam is to me.
Mam na tudasi.
Tvam mam na tudasi. You don't give me sorrow. Tvam mam na tudasi. Very good. Tvam tudasi combination is there. Yes. Mama means mine or my.
Okay.
And to me means mom. Okay. Agrawal ji.
Rama hai Ashokam tudati.
Because like Krishna used to annoy or give sorrow to Gopika. Somehow they should remember me. Somehow they should not forget me. In that manner, okay? Otherwise, Rama don't give trasa to anybody. Vishakha.
Aham mama mataha na tudami.
Nahi, mataha how?
Tudati.
Aham tudati how? Mata word you don't say. Like mata jananim you can say. Because matru shabda we don't know. Aham jananim na tudami. Aham jananim. I don't annoy my mother. I don't give sorrow to her. Okay. ठीक है. So ichhati, sprushati, pruchhati. Samruddhi you want to make? Last Samruddhi, Shweta. You can make one sentence of any dhatu. But subject, object and verb 3 should be there. Yatra durjanah tudati. Tatra sajjanah na tudati. Yatra durjanaha na tudanti. Tatra sajjanaha na tudanti. Sahante eva. जहां पर दुर्जन तकलीफ देते हैं लोगों को वहां पर सज्जन तकलीफ नहीं देते. तकलीफ सहन करते हैं. They endure everything. Yes, Shweta, Shweta and who else? Samruddhi. Anybody want to tell any sentence? We are free now.
Chhatra Sanskritam ichhati.
Chhatraha. If Chhatraha.
Samskritam ichhati.
Ichhati. If Chhatraha are there, then Chhatraha ichhanti. Samskritam ichhanti. Samskritam eva ichhanti. Okay, Chhatraha Samskritam eva ichhanti. Chhatraha Samskritam Angla bhasham api ichhati. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Here we will stop. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
No homework, right? This time?